how to add keyboard shortcuts personal dictionary in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, scroll down and click on Dictionary and click on Personal Dictionary if you want to add keyboard shortcut Personal Dictionary. So click on Add All Language. If you want to add shortcut, so click on this plus icon, add, type a word, and add shortcut and click on done. After click on done, you will see shortcut is add on Personal Dictionary. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add keyboard shortcut Personal Dictionary in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.